Hello student, welcome to the digital signal processing. Today we are going to see how to find out the DIT-FFT for, let's say, the sequence which is given x of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here we need to apply the algorithm that is discrete decimation in time fast Fourier transform. Now for this algorithm, first of all we need to decide what are the input values, means for x of n, for various values like 0, 1, 2, 3, what exactly it is to be at the input side. So for this, let me just arrange. For 0, the values are like 0, 0. Then for 1, it is in a binary values, so 0, 1. For 2, it is 1, 0, and for 3, it is 1, 1. So if we change the bits, 0, 0 will be reversed as a 0, 0 itself, 0, 1 will be 1, 0, then 1, 0 will be 0, 1, and 1, 1 will not have any change. Now this is what we require to put the input values. So 0, 0, I will just refer it as a x of 0, 1, 0 is nothing but x of 2, 0, 1 is x of 1, and 1, 1 is nothing but x of 3. This is how the shuffled input will be obtained when we decide for decimation in time fast Fourier transform. Now let's see, once the input is decided, how we will get the related DFTs like x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, and x of 3. Now these are the related values. So let's proceed for finding the FFT. Now for this, let's plot first of all x of 0. So this is nothing but x of 0. Next value which we will go for, that is nothing but, let's say, x of 2. Next value which we will require, that is nothing but x of 1, and lastly it is x of 3. So as we decided it over here, let's proceed with the first stage. So here I will just plot the first butterfly over here. This is, let's say, the first butterfly, that is x. This one is second. Now here the point is, with respect to each butterfly we are just providing here the arrows, and for first x this is nothing but -1. For the second x, this is nothing but -1. Now let's have the values over here. For the second step, again the number of butterflies will be same, so only the step will be distinct like this. So this is -1, this is again -1. Now let's apply these input values, and this value is nothing but W40. So at this point we will have W40, this is W40, obviously this is nothing but W40, and this is W41. So since total number of samples are nothing but 4, 0, then 2, 1, 3, so these are the total number of samples 4, so capital N will be equal to 4. Now let's proceed for calculating it. X of 0 will have the value that is with respect to the statements which is given, this is 1, x of 1 is 2, x of 2 is 3, and x of 3 is 4. So x of 0 is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So once we solve it, the point over here is nothing but x of 0 plus 3 that is x of 2 into w4 raised to 0. So for getting the clear cut idea for w4 raised to 0, since it is 4 point, so this is nothing but w4 0, this is w4 1, this is w4 2, this is w4 3. Right now we are interested in only these two values for the calculation. So this value is nothing but 1 and this value is nothing but minus j. So let's concentrate on this value. So here 1 plus 3 into 1, so this will be resulting in a value 4. Similarly here it will be 1 minus 3 into w4 raised to 0, so that will result in minus 2. So let's see this with respect to the approach of single butterfly. So it is like this. If this is A, this is B, then it can be written like this is, let's assume wn raised to k point, this is minus 1, so A plus B times wn raised to k, here it is A minus B times wn raised to k. So this is how this particular butterfly we are just going to apply to solve this output values. So the value at this particular point, by comparing it with respect to the butterfly which is shown here, so it is 2 plus 4, that is 6, this is 2 minus 4, since w4 is 0, w4 raised to 0 is 1, so this will be minus 2. Similarly we can just obtain the result by continuing this value with respect to the values over here. So this is nothing but actually the value, let me write it here as it is. So these are the same values which we have just calculated here. So these values I will just carry over here. Now once these values are simply carry forwarded, then this value, let's trace it properly, 4 plus 6, w4 raised to 0, upper part of this x, this is done by this particular calculation, and lower part of x by a minus b times wn raised to k. Now once it is done, 4 plus 6, that is 10. Similarly the lower part, 4 minus 6, that is nothing but minus 2. Similarly here for this upper part, minus 2 minus 2, and the value for w4 raised to 1, that is nothing but minus j. So it is like minus 2 plus minus j into minus 2. So it will result in a minus 2 plus 2j. This is what the value, and this value if you just calculate, it is nothing but at this particular point it is nothing but minus 2 plus minus j into, this is nothing but actually with the minus sign itself, so this is minus 1 into minus 2. So obviously it is the conjugate of whatever the value we got here, it is minus 2 minus 2j. Now this is how this particular value is nothing but x of 0, this is x of 1, this is x of 2, and this is x of 3. So overall DFT by using the DIT-FFT algorithm will be, for the sequence is 10, this is minus 2 plus 2j, this is minus 2, and minus 2 minus 2j. This is how by the application of DIT-FFT we can easily obtain 4-point DIT-FFT for the given sequence, that is x of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So thank you everyone, thank you very much.